everybody, welcome to a new week, a new vlog. I have my palm plant back in the office. Yeah, I think we can trust the cats with it now, and so it's in here. So that's nice to feel like I'm getting some of my greenery back. Oh yeah, and speaking of getting things back, the purple hair is back. It's not the best dye job I've ever done. We can see up the top that it's sort of like a weird rosy rose gold color with purple at the bottom. I don't know, whatever. It'll do for now until I sort out the bleaching that needs to happen later on. But yeah, feeling like myself again now that my hair is this color. I think I might have talked about it in the last vlog, so forgive me if I did, but I found myself working really like long hours recently because I have meetings that go until late, but I was starting work at, you know, a normal time. I thought I was starting late because I would usually start my work days around like 10 o'clock, 10:30, but then if I work until 8 o'clock or like 8:30 on super busy days, you know, that's a really long work day. I don't take a super long break for lunch or things like that. I'll take like snippets here and there throughout the day to do my own thing, but yeah, all in all it was adding up to a lot of work. And so last week, and then I'm doing it again this week, I didn't start my work day on a Monday until about noon. So right now it's like quarter to noon. There's one more thing I gotta do for myself, and then I'm gonna get into work. But yeah, feels a bit weird, not gonna lie, to have, you know, the fact that it's nearly noon and I haven't yet opened Slack and looked at Basecamp and done my usual checking in for the day thing. But yeah, I think it's a good habit to get into, to make sure I've got that time for myself as well, because it's stressful working too many hours. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna get into. I think it's gonna be a pretty normal Monday, to be honest. Yeah, I was just sitting at the dining table writing my newsletter. Normally I try and write that on the weekend, but it was a busy weekend. Mark's parents came down on the Saturday, and then on the Sunday we saw our friends, and then we watched Formula 1. And so, you know, in these COVID times, that was a busy weekend, and so I didn't get the writing done. Yeah, Nora's down here, maybe wants to say hello. What are you doing to the rug, Nora? Hi. The cats are doing well and loving the sunshine also, obviously. It is a beautiful sunny day. I'm very much looking forward to the umbrella we ordered arriving for the table outside so that I can spend more time working out there, because right now it just gets too hot too quickly for myself and my laptop. But yeah, I'm gonna get into it, do that one last thing. Got to send off some video files to my editor, and yeah, then we'll get into the work day. Let's have a good Monday. Fill you in on a little bit more detail of what I do on Mondays to do with looking over our data and status and things like that. Forgive how poofy my hair is going, having just been dyed. Basically, I have a spreadsheet with a bunch of different metrics that I track every single week to do with our brand. So I look at content, how many views and downloads we've gotten on all our brand content. I look at mentions, which is from a tool called Mention that tracks whenever people talk about ConvertKit on social media, on the internet. We track that. I look at branded term search impressions. I think it's called Google Search Console that I do this in, that shows how many times a ConvertKit site appeared in someone's search when they typed in ConvertKit, or, you know, a ConvertKit plus whatever term. That just gives us a sense of how many people are curious about us, who are researching us, you know, are we on their mind or not? And then it's traffic to all our brand websites, homepage, and the visits that we've had from paid media as well. So I look at that every single week, and it gives me an idea of where we're at, comparing to last week, comparing to last month. Like, I don't know, this is just my stats that I live in, collecting from all the various places. And then I take that information and I fill out our state of the business agenda doc. So every Monday, everyone on the leadership team meets for a state of the business meeting, where we have written previously in a doc our metrics for the week, and we spend like the first 10 to 15 minutes on the call all reading that doc together. I like that we do that rather than everyone go around and give verbal updates, because I think it's a lot faster to read it, and I also process information better when I read it rather than just hear it. And yeah, then we spend the rest of the meeting discussing anything that came to mind from reading each other's updates, asking questions of each other and things like that. It's a pretty good system. But yeah, that is my Monday, is sort of getting a pulse on where we're at as a team, as a brand, as a company, and then planning for the week as well. is what I will get into next. But I just wanted to fill you in on exactly what I'm doing on a Monday. Look at this sleepy little girl. Also, I straightened my hair because I was not liking how poofy it was feeling. So this looks much better for my afternoon of calls. Meetings are about to start. Have a real mixed bag of meetings today. Some are our usual like weekly meetings, but also some one-on-ones with people on the team. I think it's really important to make time for one-on-ones when you're a remote company. Yeah, I don't know, just good to connect. I'm connecting with Alyssa. She's part of the growth leadership team, and so, you know, being that we're on the same team, it's really important that I spend some time building that relationship, you know. And then also one-on-one with Erin, who is our people ops manager. Yeah, checking in, getting advice. It's gonna be some good conversations today, I think. I have several beverages here with me, ready to bring me through. Now let's dive into the first meeting of the day. Hey Caleb, how you doing? And that was a long day of meetings. It's now 8 o'clock. I need to go make some dinner now, I guess. I'm gonna make myself potato and chorizo tacos because that is what I feel like today. I like to chop up the potato real small and put it in the air fryer and they get all nice and crispy. It's very good. Did you hear that? It's cat zoomy time apparently, so we'll go and deal with that now. Feed them probably. And yeah, I'll see you back here tomorrow. Happy Tuesday everybody. I hope you can hear me through this mask and over the traffic. I'm starting my day with a trip to the supermarket. Riveting stuff happening over here. I always feel really weird vlogging in public here because, like, unlike London where there was a large population of YouTubers, it's definitely not a common thing here. So I'm gonna put the camera down and get on with my shopping trip. Back from the supermarket, already pretty much drunk my coffee and finished my morning check-in already. It was a super quick one. I know not much happened since I signed off last night, so that's nice. I can get on with my creating stuff for the day. I am going to continue work on the homepage that I think I mentioned in the last vlog. Yeah, I got to start. I was gonna say I got to a good point. I didn't get to a good point. There's like very little on the screen, but I want to end the week with a wireframe, at least one, maybe two ideas that will A/B test, done and shared with the team for feedback. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna dive into that now. I also have my Spanish class in about an hour, and I just finished watching a documentary in Spanish about the big problem Barcelona has with tourists overtaking the city. I did not understand a lot of it, but I understood enough of it, and that's what matters. Also, I hope all the people, not all the people, there's only been a few who have talked about the fact that they wish they were seeing more than the inside of this office in my vlogs. I hope you enjoyed that trip to the supermarket. Hola Sara! Bien, ¿y tú qué tal? Why is this cat trying to get into my drawers? She opened that herself. What are you doing? Okay, it is 9 o'clock and I am calling it done on a very long day. Yeah, didn't get as much done on the homepage as I wanted to, that's for sure, but I got some good progress happening on other things. some super productive meetings, and yeah, other things moving forward. So I'm trying not to feel too bad about that, and I know I'll continue with the homepage later this week. But yeah, I'll end this vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed our trip out of the house and that there was sufficient cat footage in it for you. And I'll see you in next week's vlog. Thanks for tuning in. Bye!